Okay.
This time on Van Leeuwen Garage, let's get this bug clean. Okay, we've held off long enough. It's time to pressure wash and Comet wash this thing. Let it show us what's under all that dirt. Here we go. But I got my Comet, I got my scratch pad. It's the best way to dry off a car. Ride. All right, the finished product. Comet wash. It actually still has a little bit of a sheen to it. I mean, it's really clean on this side. This was the dirty side last time. Now it's the clean side. That's the Craigslist side. It's definitely a different looking car. A little bit more presentable. Some might say, oh, it's a patina car now. So fits in somewhere.